Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, December 12th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin quarter to tether at the Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart with the Japanese candlesticks, but in a moment there will be more technical indicators and tools on this chart. But first thing I would like to point out is the amount of the percentage that Bitcoin gained in the 2023. So, we are narrowing the 2023. Let's just find out how big the up movement was. From the lows to the high, apparently, to the recent high is, it's minus 61. Okay, let me do it this way. So there will be no problems of this measurement. So from the lows to the highs is of course 186%. Okay, but this is the high made on the 12th on the 8th, sorry, of the 2023 at of the December. So it doesn't mean that we will not go even higher. Now the main swing is still far away from the Bitcoin, because it is located at 47,997. So basically almost 48,000 tethers, and this is the main level for the bulls. Of course, this is not all-time high. We are still far away from the all-time high. Nevertheless, this movement here looks pretty impressive. 186% done. Now let's just find out in what part of the cycle we are on. So basically our scenario is impulsive. Our scenario is bullish, of course, but let me just point out this level here, because it looks like we got the end of the very nice cycle here. And so basically what is going on here is that the level of let me just find out this 44,815. I think this is the high. There you go. Is the top for the wave 3, and we count the wave 3 from this low. So basically it looks like this. This is the high for the wave 1, this is the low for the wave 2. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 4. This is the 4 and the 5th level here. So possibly we are now doing the correction in wave 4, and then there is still the bars in the wave 5 here to be done. Okay, so for now this kind of a deterioration is absolutely clear, because what we are counting right now is just a part of the larger cycle. Cycle is to the upside. What is even more important is if you add some kind of RSI indicator, for example, to show you the market conditions and the momentum. You can clearly see that we are right now we are above the level of this is 80. Yes, 82, and the previous one was 87 even. So that's far above the level of 70, which is considered to be the extremely overbought, which is why this situation here is nothing uncommon. This is how market reacts on the very, very fast movement to the upside, which happened too fast and too quick. So right now we came off the extremely overbought conditions towards the level of 50, of course, because this is the neutral level. Local low is at 56. We are developing wave 4 on the Bitcoin. Now we don't know what will be the outcome of this development, because the wave 4 might be any correction. It can be simple correction like ABC and done. It can be complex correction like W, X and Z. It can be a triangle as well. So the possibilities here are almost endless. So we need to just wait for this correction to be completed, and then of course act accordingly. This is the key technical support that might be used for the bulls, by the bulls, to prevent the movement to the downside. Basically, this is the part of the triangle pattern that we explored before. This is the last wave in the wave 3, so this is the wave 5, and now we got the wave A, B, C. Maybe the correction will be completed, and then we will be able to do the wave 5 to the upside. So this is the situation on the Bitcoin to the Tether. Don't worry too much about this movement to the downside, because it is that big. It's clear that we have finished the wave 3 and we are starting wave 4 correction. This movement to the downside is bigger than any of these other corrections, so that means that this is a part of a new cycle, and it's not a part of this upward movement. So that's perfectly clear. When the correction is done, the market's supposed to be ready to move higher and break above the wave 3 high, 44,750. So the outlook remains bullish, and we're supposed to be focused on how this correction will eventually develop, when eventually this correction will be completed, and concentrate on the wave 5. Only a sustained breakout below level of 1, the wave 1 high for 50,885 would change the outlook to the bearish and would invalidate this whole big scenario on a daily time frame chart. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.